Have you ever finished a whole day of school or work, and when you finally lie down at night, your brain whispers, "Did I even do enough today?" That tiny sentence hits harder than any bad grade or missed deadline. And if you haven't felt proud of yourself in a long time, you're not alone. But here's the thing. There's a real psychological reason why you don't feel proud. And once you understand it, everything changes. You don't feel proud of yourself because your brain has learned to ignore your wins. It's like your mind is running a rigged game. Think about it. You study for 3 hours and your brain goes, "Could have done more." You get an A- and suddenly it wasn't good enough. You finish almost everything on your to-do list, but the one thing you didn't do ruins your mood. That's called self-evaluation bias. You judge yourself by what you didn't do, not what you did. And eventually, this becomes normal. You start every day already feeling behind, like you're chasing a version of yourself you can't catch. We tell ourselves, "I'll feel proud once I achieve this one big thing." But when you finally achieve it, you feel proud for maybe 30 minutes, then the feeling disappears. Because the truth is, you never learned how to recognize your wins in the first place. If you procrastinate a lot and one day you manage to study for just 25 minutes, that is a real win. But your brain goes, "Yeah, but it wasn't 2 hours." Same thing with habits, journaling, cleaning, waking up on time. You never count them because you only celebrate perfection. But here's the truth. Big achievements are built from tiny wins. At the end of the day, write down 3 things you did well, no matter how small. You'll be shocked how quickly your mindset shifts. Most of us compare ourselves to a fake version of us, the perfect one. Stop doing that. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday instead. Start tracking the tiny things you accomplish every day, because if you don't write them down, they disappear. Feeling proud of yourself isn't optional, it's fuel. Once you start noticing your tiny wins, your confidence grows quietly, and suddenly the things that once felt impossible start feeling doable. So here's your challenge for tonight. Write down 3 wins. Do it again tomorrow and the next day. That's how the new version of you begins. If this helped, subscribe. We're leveling up together, one small win at a time.